Annapurna. I started here all the way to Trongla and down, and now I'm here, Tatupani. I'm going to where is it? Ghorepani. Ghorepani. That is the elevation of 2,750 meters, and this is 1,000. I don't even know. Tatupani, Ghorepani. Huge incline, big day. What's the ticket, Sama?
107, 8.
Tanya bye. Got my sneakers sorted.
Day 19 on the trail and headed off to Ghorepani. Maybe about 8 hours. Yeah, it's gonna be a long day and a long uphill. Probably gonna gain about 1,700 meters of elevation. I don't know. Yeah, Ghorepani it is. Injury update on the day 19. Now I'm getting blisters. Sucks, but yeah, I'm gonna pace myself. If I'm gonna take 9 hours, gonna take 9 hours. Woo. Yeah, uphill. Big day, big day, big day, big day. Woo. Do this. Ghorepani. Let's take a look at that. Made it. I made it. Oh, namaste. Thank you. Oh. I showered up. Oh, that's probably one of the best hot showers I ever taken after a long freaking day. You guys want to see my tan line? Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Oh shit, look at my neck. Oh my, oof. I'm burned so bad at the back. Ah! Oh, what the heck? It's so funny. Okay. Gonna stretch a bit and then have my dinner. Yeah, because I skipped lunch. Tomorrow is the last day. All the way down to Nayapul and then bus to Kathmandu. No. Bus to Pokhara. Last day. Tomorrow is the last day. Bittersweet. Bittersweet. I'm gonna rest now. Catch you again. Good morning. It's 4:15. I'm going to Poonhill. It's too early to be awake. Let's go. Lots of people. There's a lot of people here. So apparently that's Machu Picchu, Annapurna,
Annapurna South. That's Annapurna. Ooh! So that one is taller than that. Wow. That means it's further, much more further than this. God! Okay, I head down. I hit that stick naked though. Woo! I need 2 hands. Okay, enough fapping around. Let's go back down. Ready and packed up all my gear. Got that settle. Okay, last final check. Nothing. Good. Okay, yeah. Today's my last day here. Wow. And I'm headed to Pokhara. I'm gonna chill the fuck out. Yeah, I'm very excited to complete the trek. Take a huge rest because when I get back to Singapore, following week, I'm gonna start school again. So quick, everything's so quick. Oh, well, tell you guys, I took a day off yesterday because the weather was bad and my body was aching so much, so I had to take a break from trekking. So yeah, it works well, and because Poonhill was having a bad weather. So yeah, now it's the 1st of October. I'm going down. Yes, finally. Okay, now for real, let's go. Goodbye, Ghorepani. You'll be missed. Onwards to Pokhara. Let's go. Nayapul it is. 6 hours? I have exactly 6 hours. I'll be there probably by 3 or 4. Big day, big day. I'm gonna miss this. Actually 1 month in the Himalayas is enough. Yeah, because and maybe I'm alone, that's why maybe 1 month is enough. But if you're with your buddies and everything, probably longer won't be enough. I think I'm ready to head down to the city and chill out for a bit before I head back to Singapore next week. There's a lot of poop. It's a shitty place. What's there? Oh, a checkpoint. Yeah? Bye, Horsey. Goodbye. Goodbye, Horsey. Goodbye. Oh, chill out. Goodbye, Horsey. Goodbye. Thanks for your visit. Oh, thanks for having me. See you again. I'll see you again. Bye, trees. Goodbye. Goodbye, mountains. Goodbye, resting stones. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, Karens. Goodbye, water. Look at this! Look at it! It's a donkey carrying chickens! Bye, chickens! Look at it! Ah! I've never seen anything like this. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh. Goodbye, waterfall. Goodbye, river crossing. Goodbye, poop. Goodbye, Himalaya village. Goodbye, uphill. Goodbye, prayer flags. Goodbye, beautiful view. Yeah. Goodbye, Horsey. My last suspension bridge. It's a short one, but it counts. Goodbye, suspension bridge. Pokhara. Yes, please. Hot day. It's 1:30. Goodbye, rice field. Goodbye, buffalo. We'll see you around. I have another
3 more kilometers, about 1 hour and a half ish. Almost there. Woo! Yay! Almost there. Oh, segment is killing me. Yeah. 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 3 more kilometers. Let's go! Last check post?
Yeah.
Woo.
No, it's actually second last. There's one more.
Nayapul.
First piece, yeah. Just first piece. There's one more checkpoint. Finished.
Jakob. Yes. Nice. Okay, just checked in the last ACAP check post, and then going for one more check post, which is the Thames. Woo. We're almost done. Do it. Oh! But I guess they gotta walk to Nayapul. This is the last one. Phew. This is the last one? Done it! Done it! Woo. You don't have to check in anymore. Finish! Am I done? Am I done? Am I really done? Am I in Nayapul? Oh my god! I did it! I did a second. Sinking in now. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna take a photo now. I touched it. That's the last marker. Well, thanks for having me. Okay. Now to get to Pokhara. Yep. I did it. Namaste. I did it. I did it. You know, I'm really in Nayapul. I did it. Now how to go to Pokhara? I've checked in. Okay, can you shush for a little while? In the hotel, it's like 1,000 rupees a night, so I'm gonna stay here for 3 nights and then head back to Kathmandu maybe, and then yeah, I'm done. I'm in Pokhara. Okay, now I'm gonna find food because I haven't eaten since lunch. Okay, let's go. I already showered up, so let's go. Woo.